Hi everyone, I'm Marcie Besecker and I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up. Thank you for joining me on my channel today. I hope you enjoy watching my videos and get inspired to craft. That is my main goal, is to get you to create and craft, think outside the box and try new things. I hope you enjoy the videos, and if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to leave a message and I will get back with you. Just try something new. That's what my goal is for you, is to for you to think outside the box and try something that maybe you're intimidated by. And I do not edit my videos because I want you to see that everybody makes mistakes, and maybe you can learn something on how I try to fix it and hope it works out. And maybe you can share that with others and learn something new. So I hope that you will come back and join me again, and I hope you enjoy the videos. Good luck to you. In the description, I usually always have the products that I use, and also links to my blog, my Facebook page, and where you can shop. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you soon. Thank you for joining me. Bye-bye.